Exness or VT markets? If you choose the wrong broker from the very beginning, you could end up losing hundreds or even thousands of dollars without realizing it. Not because your trades are losing, but because you're paying higher costs than necessary. Trading on a platform that doesn't suit your needs? Or using a broker that simply isn't the right fit for your trading style? That's exactly why experienced traders spend time choosing the right broker before they ever think about trading strategies. And in today's video, we're going straight to a question that many traders around the world are asking. Exness or VT markets? Which one is the better choice? When it comes to popularity, Exness is one of the most recognized names among traders across multiple regions worldwide. The broker has built a large client base, particularly in emerging markets and international trading communities. Many traders choose Exness for one simple reason: familiarity. It's easy to find tutorials, reviews, real user experiences, and educational content created by traders who have been using the platform for years. For beginners, that's a significant advantage. Meanwhile, VT Markets is a broker that has been growing rapidly in the global market. While it may not have the same level of brand recognition as Exness, VT Markets has been attracting increasing attention thanks to its competitive trading conditions and continuous improvements in customer experience. Many traders choose VT Markets because they're looking for a modern trading environment and an alternative to some of the industry's more established brokers. Now let's talk about the factor that matters most: trading costs. At the end of the day, profitability doesn't just depend on winning trades. It also depends on how much money you keep after paying trading costs. Exness has long been known for offering competitive spreads across many popular trading instruments, particularly Forex and gold. This is one of the main reasons why active traders continue to favor the brokered VT. Markets follows a similar approach by focusing on providing attractive trading conditions for its clients. For most retail traders, the difference in trading costs may not be dramatic. However, for traders who operate with larger volumes, trade frequently, or use short-term strategies, it's still an important factor worth evaluating carefully. Another area that traders worldwide pay close attention to is deposits and withdrawals. This is also where Exness has built a strong reputation among many traders. The broker is well known for its fast and convenient funding process. For many traders, being able to access their profits quickly provides an extra level of confidence and peace of mind. VT Markets also supports a variety of international payment methods and offers a relatively efficient withdrawal process. However, when traders discuss deposit and withdrawal speed, Exness is often the name that comes up more frequently within the global trading community. When it comes to trading platforms, both brokers support MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, the two most widely used platforms in online trading today. That means whether you're trading Forex, gold, indices, or other CFD products, you'll have access to all the essential charting tools, indicators, technical analysis features, and trading functionality you need. The key differences are more likely to come down to the overall user experience, customer support quality, and the additional features each broker offers. If you're a beginner who prefers a broker with a large user community, plenty of educational resources, easy access to real-world trader experiences, and a funding system that is widely praised by clients, Exness may be the better fit. On the other hand, if you're interested in trying a broker that is growing rapidly, offers competitive trading conditions, and provides an alternative to some of the industry's traditional names, VT Markets is certainly worth considering. However, the most important point I want to emphasize is this: there is no broker that is perfect for everyone. A broker that works well for one trader may not be the best choice for another. The key is to clearly define your trading goals, account size, trading frequency, and the features that matter most to you before making a decision. If you've already decided which broker suits your needs after watching this video, you'll find the official registration links for both Exness and VT Markets in the description below. Depending on your region and the promotions available at the time, you may be eligible for exclusive offers, reduced trading costs, or additional benefits for new clients using official registration. Links also helps protect you from fraudulent websites and ensures that you're signing up through the broker's legitimate platform. And if you'd like to see more unbiased broker reviews, practical trading insights, and educational content designed to help traders avoid common mistakes in the financial markets, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week, I publish new content aimed at helping you trade more effectively and make smarter decisions throughout your trading journey. Now I'd like to hear from you. If you had to choose one broker today, would you pick XNES or VT Markets? Leave your answer in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.